This is the Robin Ross Recap.
How old were you when you got your first grey hair?
About 32. And you?
I was in my mid to late 20s.
Okay.
It was like a 27, 28 kind of situation.
Reg.
Daar rond.
Okay.
Because there's an article on our website at the moment, jacarandfm.com, talking about grey hair.
Inderdaad. So, ek sê altyd vir my kinders, as hulle nonsens aanjaag, you are giving me grey hair. Because that's most the thing that we know. Like, if you get stressed or whatever, die mens gaan jou hare silver, grys maak.
Well, one of the things in the article was exactly that. They did a study of about 1,000 people, and they found over time that stress definitely contributes to early onset grey hair. My question, though, actually, does it bother anyone? I know it's such a pop culture thing to know, like, be bothered and dye out the greys and stuff. Is enigiemand eintlik gepla?
Ek is die teenoorgestelde. As ek nog, want ek het hier aan die kante eintlik, gisteroggend, toe ek regmaak vir die show,
Ja.
toe sien ek daar's nuwe grysies hier aan die kant, want ek het so 'n patch hier in die middel reg voor, maar nou is daar nuwe langer grysies aan die kant, en ek is mal daaroor. Ek weet wat my nogal bietjie irriteer oor die feit, as ek blond gaan, of as ek my hare heeltemal kaalkop skeer, then I don't have my greys anymore.
You like your greys?
I like my greys.
Because I don't remember when we were 21 and 22, were we teasing our friends who got their first grey hairs? I can't remember.
I think it was more of a Sex and the City thing. I think Kim Cattrall's character got like a bit iffy when she got grey.
She
when
freaked
she found
out.
she found a grey hair somewhere.
Because you see, this is the thing. Then Hollywood makes it a thing and pretends we all need to care about it.
Yeah, but there's certain people that you will not see them with a grey hair. If they have one grey hair, die box daai gaan gekoop word en hulle gaan dit clear. And they've got every right to do so.
100%. People on the WhatsApp line all over. Grey is sexy. Salt and pepper looks good. My hubby is salt and pepper. I love it. I love the grey in my beard. Dis nie goed. Is enigiemand eintlik gepla? Are any of us actually bothered?
I think there are. I think you would be surprised by how many people do not enjoy having grey hair, especially like if you used to dye it, right?
Yeah.
And now the roots are grey, and then it's like it's not growing out lekker, like a full head of silver hair. I don't care. Golden.
Okay.
I'm 46, they say. I haven't started greying.
I mean, grand.
I think I've got more grey hairs than my mom does. It's because she only had one child. I have two.
There's my question then. If it bothers you, why? I'm genuinely, I'm curious. As dit jou ontstel, hoekom? Do you keep your hair dyed properly at all times to full colour? What's the reason?
JJ sê, my siel is te jonk om grys in my baard te hê. Dankie JJ. Dankie. Suzette, grys hare. Nee, laat my oud voel. Nou amper 60 en ek wil nie soos 'n ouma like nie. Ek sit streaks in. Candice, I cannot live with grey. I dye my hair every 2 weeks and I have for the last 15 years. I'm 43.
Kim says, yay for grey hair. Early pensioners discount at the shops. Work it, babes. Work it if you can.
Then we got a message in from Candice who says, that was Candice, this message is from Nicola, who says, you are going to laugh. I just had grey highlights put into my hair to hide the grey regrowth. I literally heard you guys as I finished in the hairdresser. Great timing.
You see, mostly positive responses on the WhatsApp line.
Yeah.
Not many people, een of twee miskien,
Yeah.
but say, ek sal nie grys haar op my kop hê nie. I will go and sort it out every time. Can I play you something that Francois sent through? And I think this man has got the nail on the head. I would love your thoughts. Listen to this.
En dan is daar, wat noem mense man met grys hare? Sophisticated. Wat noem jy 'n vrou met grys hare? Te lui om haar hare te kleur?
Bingo. It's that double standard. It's absolutely that double standard.
Yeah. Nee.
Right? Like, Francois spot on.
He's absolutely spot on. I was just looking for the term. But if you have a guy that's got grey hair is starting to get the salt and pepper like what you have, even maybe going a little bit more grey. They call him a silver fox.
Yes.
And these silver foxes are like wanting to be hunted in the wild. Like they are just these hot older guys that everyone thinks is just so dignified and distinguished and sexy and
Do you remember
hot.
when George Clooney was settling into his older hot
Yes.
era?
Do you remember Richard Gere from Pretty Woman?
Precies.
That is the archetype of
Ja.
the silver fox. Maar as jy 'n paar grysies het hier en daar en jy's 'n vrou, dan is that the thing that you're just too lazy to color your hair? I don't think so. I hate that.
I know, absolutely.
And I know it's a joke and it's a trope and stuff, maar daar's baie mense wat dit glo.
100%.
Tipiso sê hier, grey hair is a wake-up call. A wake-up call for what?
Nee, dis die ding. And that double standard does exist.
Dit is en veral baie vrouens wat sal spog oor die feit dat hulle in hulle laat 40s of vroeë 50s is en hulle het nie enkele grys hare nie. Grys haar nie.
Who put that expectation on you?
Why?
Hoekom voel ons so?
Elisma, Roz, grys is nie 'n kleur nie, dis 'n toestand.
I mean, listen, that article, it's on jacarandafm.com/drive at the moment. You can go and see there are actual reasons that some of us go grey
Ja.
much earlier in our lives than others. And they say the thing is, the longer your grandparents took to get grey,
Ja.
probably the longer you will take to get grey because it's genetic. Unless, wat jy gesê, 2 kinders?
2 kinders. Dis nie grys nie, dis executive blonde.
Ah, there we go.